All right, today something new. Starter on the charger. Hey, good morning. All right, well, if I need you, I'll let you know. All right, just make sure whenever you're doing a starter, unhook the battery. You will shock the shit out yourself. Now the starter sit on this side, so I'm gonna jack it up. So this is the first one. She got a major oil leak. All right, so I'm choosing to take these bell house bolts out. That holds the starter. That's one. I normally know I hate groundwork. And that's two. Size 13 bolt for right here. And I gotta move this out the way. So far I could say getting this bolt out right here is probably the hardest part. Not in that, just because her car is, it's just oily. She got a major oil leak. That's that. Put it back on top of it like that. As you see, I'll move this out the way so you guys can see enough. But my damn battery to my light had died, so then that charged for a second. And after 20 minutes playing with this bullshit, finally out. Yeah, that's something to me. All right, be back. There we go. Shit, I ain't used to get this dirty. But well, one problem down. I got it.
All right, thank you, appreciate it.
No problem, appreciate you. And I,
Let me know.
yeah.
In my price range, and you get to it.
Yeah. All right.